Hello everyone, myself Rohan Juikar, along with Ishan Kadam, we are going to present about smart drainage system using IoT. So in this topic, today drainage system is not computerized. So whenever there is a blockage, it is difficult to figure out the exact location of the blockage. Also, exactly alert of the blockage are not received. Hence, detection and repairing of the blockage become time consuming. It becomes very inconvenient to handle the situation whenever pipes are blocked completely. Due to such failure of the drainage line, people face lots of problem. The objective of this project is to create a drainage monitoring system. It is very essential for proper care of the drainage system, but the official cannot be present in each and every time to prevent the water clogging. Drainage monitoring system plays an important role in human lives. The aim the aim is to make a drainage monitoring system into the smart and more effective. Monitoring of the drainage is used by official to determine the level of the water in the drainage system. Hence, we will make the drainage monitoring system using Node MCU that senses the water level inside the drainage, and after some time the data will be accepted by the sensor, and the message will be sent to the phone by using built-in Wi-Fi model. The message will be sent to phone using the application. It sends the information to the internet without having any direct physical connection. Ishan will present a further topic.
So in Smart Energy System, we will be using an Arduino R3 board, a breadboard to connect it with the 16:2 LCD, ultrasonic sensor, a potentiometer, and a buzzer. So the echo pin, trigger pin, and the buzzer pin are initially set to 0, whereas the liquid crystal LCD is given its value. The digital inputs are 11, 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2. The LCD begins 16 to 2. LCD prints safe level. So basically, when the system is starting, it will always show the safe level. Once the loop gets when the loop is executing, the LCD will be clear. The echo pin, which the echo pin is connected to the digital input 6, and the trigger pin is connected to the digital input 7, and the buzzer input pin is connected to the digital input 10. As the if statement says, this is the basic formula 0.173, which multiplied by the distance, which is read by the ultrasonic sensor, uh, with the input values, with the input of 7 and digital input 7 and 6. If it is less than 60, it will show unsafe level. With a delay of 500, then the LC will be clear. And if the distance is less than 60, it will produce a tone of 10 with a 29 hertz frequency. Else it will print safely. As the level is below 60, that is 49.5, it is showing unsafe level, and we can hear the buzzer ringing. Once the level starts and it reaches above 60, the LCD will show safe level and the buzzer stops ringing.